premises. I think the witness will confirm that. Tama po, Ma'am Gina?
Nag-rely po ako sa sinabi ni Colonel Lachica at sa mga document na binigay niya sa akin, Your Honor, after po na-implement po niya sa ground ang mga confidential activities po, Your Honor.
At wala po kayo sa ground.
Yes po, wala po ako doon, Your Honor.
Hindi po ba dahil sa mga pinaggagawa nyo sa Office of the Vice President, nawalan ng paraan ang taong bayan na pagtugmain. I repeat, hindi ba't dahil sa pinaggagawa nyo nawalan ng paraan ang taong bayan nagpagtugmain? On one hand, ang paper trail,
I cannot
or
understand.
not yet, ma'am, or makadokumento, at the same, on the other hand, ang totoong money trail. Wala na pong paraan ng taong bayan na pagtugmain yung paper trail tsaka money trail. Hindi po ba? Yes or no?
Argumentative and
If,
speculative, Your Honor.
If you know, Ma'am Gina, kung alam niyo po, sabihin niyo po, alam niyo. Kung hindi niyo alam, sabihin niyo rin pong hindi niyo alam. Yung,
I will repeat the question if you may, Your Honor.
I think she understood the question, but
mas-
difficult to answer on her part, counsel, but I don't want to put words in the mouth of
Yes,
the
Your Honor.
witness.
Malalim po ang Tagalog ni Attorney Lagutan po.
Ma'am, it's ligutan. Okay now.
Ay, sorry po. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
It's okay po.
I'm sorry po.
It's okay, ma'am.
Sorry
Okay.
po. Sorry po.
It's okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I will repeat the question. Kasi nga, sinasabi nyo, wala namang kayong kinalaman sa paano ginamit ni Colonel Lachica yung pera, pero sinecertify nyo na tama yung pinagamitan ng pera. So di po ba, yung taong bayan nawalan ng pamamaraan na pagtugmain, i-match yung mga dokumento, paper trail tawag natin dyan on one hand, tsaka yung actual na paggamit ng pera or money trail. Napakaklaro na po. Nawalan po ang taong bayan ng pamamaraan at pagtugmain yung dalawang bagay na yan. Yes or no?
Speculative, Your
Wala
Honor.
po.
It's not.
Wala nawalan ang, ano yun?
Hindi nawalan.
Hindi nawalan, Your Honor,
Okay.
kasi pwede po nila tanungin ang aming security officer na siya po ang nagpapatupad ng mga...
Okay now, last question.
Darating po tayo dun, ma'am. I assure you. I hope we will arrive to that point.
Ma'am,
Po.
hindi ba ito isang scam or tahasang panlililag sa
Argumentative,
pera ng
Your
taong
Honor.
bayan?
Argumentative, Your
Counsel, it's not only argumentative, but kindly use appropriate language as well inside this court.
Your Honor, may we move to strike that last question, Your Honor, for being impertinent, Your Honor.
It's very much pertinent.
I tend to agree with counsel for the respondent. The word scam is stricken from the record. It did not come from the witness's mouth. Kindly reform a bit, counsel. I think I know where you're getting at too. And you've
That
said
will
it
be
anyway.
all for the prosecution for this witness, Your Honor.